Dr. T here with Twin City Health, and today I want to talk about the top benefit, just the benefit of getting chiropractic care during pregnancy. It's our office and my personal passion to adjust pregnant mamas to be, and I just want to go over some of the benefits. So first, what happens is during pregnancy, your pelvic bowl and your hips, they start to grow and stretch and make room for baby to move and grow himself or herself. But what happens in that time is your pelvis should be like this, a nice round bowl. And what happens is because of the laxity and your hormones changing, your pelvis kind of tilts like this and it can get stuck there. When it gets stuck there like this, it creates almost like this oval bowl, and it's harder for baby to move and then later on get head down for delivery. So what chiropractic does is we adjust your hips for alignment and so that it can open the pelvic bowl. Another thing is chiropractic care can also help relieve some of those unwanted symptoms like low back pain, acid reflux, some of the insomnia, also that sciatic pain that goes down your leg, and even some neck pain that come along with pregnancy. So by getting those adjustments, you can also release the pressure off those nerves so that your body can function and help baby grow as well. And then the last thing is it can actually also reduce the risk of C-section and the breech positioning. Because remember, if you're just keeping a nice, healthy pelvic bowl, then baby is less likely to be breech and more likely to want to move and be head down and ready for delivery. We've also even seen some of our moms have quicker delivery rates when they had chiropractic care with certain pregnancies where they didn't have it before. So if you have any questions, go ahead and contact us at the office, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for tuning in.